Hi everyone, please subscribe this WikiTech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from MediaTek. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So the thing is guys, yesterday the Realme launches a new mobile phone in the family. So it's none other than Realme 6. I like the specifications and I like the price, what they was given the price tag especially. So I think it's the one of the best value for money. So anyhow, let's get into the video and briefly look at the details of the specifications of this Realme 6 new phone, and let's talk about something about this mobile phone. Let's get started. So guys, the thing is, first of all, if you're talking about the build quality at the front side, as usual they added the glass body. It's the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It's not the 5 protection, it comes with a Gorilla 3 protection, but whereas at the back side they're giving here plastic body. So usual side also it comes with the plastic rim, and also guys it comes with 6.5 inches IPS LCD screen. It's the Full HD Plus display, and if you look at the resolution, it comes with 1080 into 2400 resolution at 405 ppi pixel per inch. And also guys, I like this display because it comes with a 90 Hz screen refresh rate display. So if you look at the screen to body ratio, it comes with nearly 90.4% whatever it may be, 90.4% body to screen body ratio. I mean, we can expect the bezels was very thin at the top or even the bottom of the mobile phone and the sides also. And also guys, if you look at the nits brightness level, it comes with a 480 nits brightness level, which means we can take the mobile phone in the direct sunlight, and we can use the mobile phone in the direct sunlight also. There was no issues because it comes with 480 nits brightness level. So besides, it comes with FHD plus, Full HD plus display, and also it comes with 405 ppi, and it's IPS LCD. We know that it was very good in direct sunlight, direct visibility, and also they're giving here 90 Hz screen refresh rate. I like this combination. If you're talking about the weight of the mobile phone, it comes with around 181 grams only, so which was not a deal breaker. It was good in weight. So like that guys, if you're talking about the Android version, out of the box it comes with Android 10, and it comes with the Realme UI because it's a Realme mobile phone. Like that, if you look at the processor department, I like the processor department. One of the powerful processor. This processor is good for gaming department also. It comes with the MediaTek Helio G90t processor, whereas guys, this processor comes with octa-core, means 8 cores was there, whereas the 2 cores was powerful cores, ARM Cortex A76 at the clock speed of 2.03 GHz, and the remaining 6 cores was power efficient, like daily task, WhatsApp, Facebook, or doing some activity, browsing stuff. These 6 cores was helpful. If you look at the cores, it comes with ARM Cortex A55 at a clock speed of 2.0 GHz, and also guys, it comes with Mali G76 GPU. So guys, it's the processor which belongs to MediaTek family, and it's Helio G90t processor. When compared to MediaTek Helio G90t was far better, and even though we have seen that they added the powerful cores, 2 powerful cores, ARM Cortex A76, which was good. I like this processor very much, but even though I want to let you know here, the processor was built with 12 nanometer architecture, which means guys, this processor can consume the battery, and also it can generate the heat very quickly because it's the 12 nanometer the processor was built. So anyhow, if you was okay with the heat department, and also it consumes the battery a little bit high, even though guys, if you okay with that, then definitely it's one of the best mobile phone in this price category, because it was launching at cost around 12,999 rupees, which means 1 rupee less than 13,000 rupees. But anyhow, like the screen and the processor was good. So let's talk about some more details about this mobile phone. Like that guys, if you look at the RAM and the storage department, it comes with 2 variants. One is the base variant, comes with 4 GB RAM with 64 GB internal storage. So like that, it also comes with 6 GB RAM, but again it comes with 64 GB internal storage, so which was not bad. And also here the storage type is UFS 2.1, so which was very good by read and write speed. It was good. Whereas guys, another highlight of this Realme 6 sides, the back sides comes with quad camera setup, whereas the primary sensors comes with 48 megapixels for wide and 8 megapixels for ultra wide, which is useful for taking the group selfies or even the family where you're doing the blogging also. It was helpful. And whereas guys, they added the 2 megapixel for macro and 2 megapixel for depth sensor. And also guys, with the help of the rear camera, we can able to shoot a 4K at 30 frames per second second, and whereas it can able to shoot 1080, I mean full HD at 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, and even 120 frames per second also. And also they added the LED light flash, I mean LED flash at the back side, and also they have added the gyroscope electronic image stabilization, which means if you are recording videos with the help of rear camera, then when your hands was getting shake in terms of video department due to this gyroscope EIS stability, so we can expect the video should come out in a good proper way without blurring the film. So like that guys, if you're talking about the front side camera, it comes with a 16 megapixel front facing camera, and also it comes with, I mean what I'm saying to say is you can able to record the front cam at a video department 1080 into 30 frames per second, and also it comes with a punch hole display. The display was not full view display, it comes with a punch hole display guys, whereas some people like the water drop notch, or even some people like the full view display, but anyhow it comes with punch hole display. So if you are okay with that, then you can definitely look into this mobile phone 6i Realme. So like that guys, loudspeaker was available, it was normal, and they added the 3.5mm audio jack port, that was good. And if you're talking about the connectivity department, it can able to support the dual sims with micro SD card slot. So like that guys, it can able to connect to the Wi-Fi, and this mobile phone can able to connect dual band Wi-Fi, which means you can able to connect easily 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band or even the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band also. So like that, Wi-Fi hotspot was available, and Bluetooth connectivity 5.0 was enabled, GPS was enabled, FM radio was also enabled. So finally, hotspot was also enabled. So like that, it comes with a Type-C USB Type-C port, so which was the awesome thing. Nowadays, many mobile phones was releasing in the market with USB Type-C for fast charging. So like that, it also comes with Type-C port. If you're talking about the battery department, it comes with 4300 mAh capacity battery, and guys, the company claims that with the help of 30 watts charger, the mobile can able to charge from 0 to 100 level in just 55 minutes only. But in the box, the company was providing only 20 watts supporting charger only. But anyhow, if you have 30 watts charger, I mean flash charger from the Realme, then you can able to charge the device from 0 to 100% in just 55 minutes. So it's time to talk about the sensor. So like that guys, every phone it comes with fingerprint in this price category. So like that, this 6i also comes with fingerprint radar, but keep in mind the fingerprint radar is not rear side, it's a side mounted fingerprint sensor. So like that, accelerometer sensor was available, proximity sensor, ambient sensor, along with the gyroscope sensor was available. I mean all the sensors which we use in the daily life was available in this mobile phone. So finally it was going to available in two colors, one is Eclipse black and the next one is Lunar white. So finally, if you look at the price, the base variant, I mean 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, it comes with 12,999, which is nothing but 13,000 rupees. But whereas the 6GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, its price is around 14,999, which is nothing but 15,000 rupees. So my opinion, for daily usage, even if you are a gamer also, 4GB RAM is more than enough. But here if you look at the base variant, 4GB RAM comes with 13,000, but whereas the 6GB RAM it comes with 15,000 rupees. Just 2GB of extra RAM, the company charging the money around 2,000 rupees. So I don't like it. But anyhow guys, 4GB RAM is more than enough, but the decision is up to you. So the thing is guys, if you look at the competitor of this Realme 6i in the market, recently we have known that the Poco M2 Pro was also released in the market. So if you look at the Poco M2, it's the good competitor, because guys, keep in mind in Poco M2 at it's built with glass body, and also it comes with Corning glass pipe protection. So in quality department, I mean in build quality department, my vote is for Poco M2 Pro. So like it guys, if you look at the weight, whereas this Realme 6s comes with nearly 190 grams, but whereas the Poco M2 it comes with 20 grams more, it's nothing but 209 grams weight. So a little bit of weight when Poco when compared to this Realme 6s. So in weight department and weight management, my vote is going for the Realme 6i. And also if you look at the processor department, whereas the Poco M2 Pro it comes with a Snapdragon 720G processor, but whereas this Realme 6i comes with MediaTek Helio G90t processor. So to be frankly, whereas this G90 processor is built with 12 nanometer architecture, but whereas the 720G is built with 8 nanometer architecture. So in processor department, I like the performance and the speed department of this MediaTek Helio G90t, because it was built with 12 nanometer architecture. But keep in mind, it was very clear when compared to 720G, the MediaTek Helio G90t was more powerful. But but here it was built with 12 nanometer, but 720G is built with 8 nanometer. So when compared to battery department and thermal management, the 720G was more good in terms of thermal and heating department. But keep in mind, if you want a powerful processor, then you should go and look at the Realme 6i because of that MediaTek Helio G90t processor. So finally guys, every mobile phone has the pros and cons. So if you compare the competitor of the Realme 6i versus the Poco M2 Pro, my suggestion for you is, my frank opinion, both are the Chinese mobile, no comment in that. But anyhow, this Realme 6i, I feel more value for money and more powerful when compared to the Poco M2 Pro. That's it guys. So anyhow guys, if you have any kind of specific questions, please let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Please don't go outside due to this COVID-19. I wish you and your family should stay at your home and be safe. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.